I'm Michelle from Legal Suite, and this is part 5, Fee Notes, Manually Inserting a Payment from a Client. Okay, so for this, I'm using a matter with parties that I already have set up, and I'm going to my Fee Notes screen. Now, please note, it is very important that you do not capture payments unless you are not using Legal Suite accounting. This is only for clients who are not using Legal Suite accounting, and in order to show your clients any payments that have come in. Okay, payments are usually captured in the bookkeeping system, receipted, and they feed through to the screen. So please only use this for pro forma accounts if you're not using Legal Suite's bookkeeping system. Okay, so I'm going to now insert a payment, but we've basically got to sort of con the program to tell it that it's receiving a payment because it's not geared up to receive payments in the Fee Note screen. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to click on Insert in order to insert, and we're going to call it a fee, but it's going to have a negative value. So it will offset against your fees and your disbursements. Okay, so we would leave the payment as a fee. We would say the date on which the payment was made, the program will confirm the file reference that you're on, and here at fee, we would change this to payment received from, client. Okay, this is not something we're going to send to the debtor's account, and at voucher, you can put your receipt number, if you're using a manual receipt book. So let's say that the client paid us let's call it 6,000 Rand. So we put in the 6,000 Rand, but we will put a negative value in front of the 6,000 Rand, and we are going to say including that. Okay. Now, once you've done that, you can then click on your OK button, and you can see that it will be offset against your fee, but not against your disbursement. So if you wanted to offset a certain portion of that against a disbursement, you would have to put a separate payment in. Okay, now you can see that our client is sitting in credit. So you could manipulate the amount incoming. So let's say, for example, the full amount incoming was 6,000 Rand, 1,500 Rand went to fees, and the balance of 3,500 Rand, 4,500 Rand went to disbursements. Okay, you would have to put them in as separate payments because, as you can see, that 6,000 Rand was offset against fees only. Now, I cannot stress enough how important it is that you only use this method to show your client on a pro forma account any payments that have come in. And again, you would need to offset against fees and disbursements separately. Okay, so this is sort of conning the system into receiving a payment as opposed to debiting a fee or a disbursement.